UWANT D100 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate 2-in-1 cleaning solution for modern homes. Experience the next level of home cleaning with the UWANT D100 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful all-in-one vacuum mop designed to simplify your routine and deliver unmatched results on hard floors. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning your home, this intelligent machine is built to do it all: vacuuming, mopping, and drying in one seamless process. Unmatched 18,000 pascals suction power with smart AI technology. Forget switching between tools. This vacuum mop cleans smarter, not harder. With 18,000 pascals of powerful suction, it effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, debris, and even tough liquid spills. The built-in smart AI system automatically adjusts suction strength and water flow depending on floor type and dirt level, ensuring efficient and effective cleaning every time. For more personalized control, you can manually select from 3 water flow levels to suit your needs. Vacuum and mop simultaneously. Why clean twice when you can do it once? The UWANT D100 is designed to vacuum and mop at the same time, recovering up to 95% of dirty water. This leaves your floors not only spotless, but also nearly dry in minutes, making it perfect for busy households and homes with children or pets. 180 degrees lay flat body and dual edge cleaning. Clean under sofas, beds, and low furniture with ease thanks to the vacuum's 180 degrees lay flat design. Combined with dual edge cleaning, this design ensures no edge or corner is missed. Dirt and debris hiding along baseboards or in tight spaces are no match for the UWANT D100. IPX6 waterproof brush core, easy maintenance. Cleaning your cleaner has never been easier. The brush core is fully washable, thanks to IPX6 waterproof technology. In addition to its automatic self-cleaning mode, you can rinse the brush underwater for a deeper, more thorough clean. Long-lasting battery for whole home cleaning. Say goodbye to constant recharging. The UWANT D100 comes with a high-capacity, long-lasting battery, enabling extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. Clean your entire home, from indoor floors to outdoor patios, on a single charge. Built-in odor removal system. Tired of funky smells from dirty water tanks? This vacuum features an advanced odor removal system that neutralizes unpleasant odors, even if you forget to empty the tank immediately. Your home stays fresh and clean after every use. Self-cleaning and hot air drying function. Maintenance is completely hassle-free. After each use, activate the self-cleaning mode to flush out the system, then let the hot air drying function keep your vacuum sanitized and ready for the next clean. No more touching dirty rollers or wasting time on manual cleaning. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or simply someone who values a pristine home, the UWANT D100 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is your go-to device for faster, smarter, and more hygienic cleaning.